Today, I bring you another high-quality, production-ready open source project where I was working on for a while. Hello everyone, my name is Adil. I'm a software engineer with over 4 years of experience, primarily using Django Web Framework. In this video, we are going to see the demo of an open source project called djChat, which is a fully functional chat app built using the Django Web Framework and HTMX with the power of WebSockets and channels. Let's find out what are the functionalities and uses of the app. First, let me make sure the Django server is running. It is running, but we don't only need the Django server, we also need Redis server. The channels feature we used in this project needs Redis to run. We use Redis as the backing store for the channel layer. This video doesn't cover the installation of the project, but in the next video I will show you how you can install the project on your computer, including Redis and PostgreSQL database. When you open up the app for the first time, it will redirect you to the login page. It requires authentication to access any pages. This is the sign up page. By filling out all these form fields, first name, last name, email, username, and password, it will create an account for us and automatically log us in. But now I already have an account, so I just click login. The app handles the authentication process very properly using the popular package django-allauth. Let me quickly show you how you can reset your password. Enter your email here and click this button. This will send an email that contains a password reset instructions. For the testing purpose, I use console as the email backend, so the email sent directly to the console. Let me open up this link. Input new password and submit. We successfully reset our password. Now let's return to login page and authenticate. Now that leads us to the home page. At the top menu we have 3 different buttons. This one is the discussions link, which is the page we are currently on, and this drop down button lists threads or private messages. We'll be back to that in a bit. And the last one is a profile menu where the user can log out. That's how the app structure looks like, and now let's see each feature one by one. This page primarily renders discussion rooms. On the left side, we have a list of our recent joined rooms. This discussions has an infinite scrolling. We can fetch more rooms by using this button down here. It doesn't require page reloading, it just fetch more discussion rooms and removed if there is no more rooms to fetch. Sorting. The discussions can be sorted based on trending topics, newest additions, or oldest discussions. This enables users to find relevant conversations or discussions efficiently without page reloading. Real-time search. The application performs live discussion searches as users type, eliminating the need for page reloading and providing instant results. For example, let's search for the topic with climate. We got one result, and let's click it and see the conversations. This is discussion detail page that renders conversations between different users. Let's see what are the features included in this page. Instant messaging. By the power of WebSockets, we can send and receive messages instantly. The message keeps your format as it is. What I mean by that is, for example, this is the message I want to send and it renders as the way I type it, keeping the lines and spaces. Infinite scrolling. We can load more conversations or messages by using this button up here. Once it fetches all messages and there is no more messages to fetch, it will be removed. Invitations. Users can invite others to join a discussion room. I can search users by their username, select many users as I want, and send the invitation. Now let's create our own room. Navigate back to the discussions page and click this button. It opens up a window with a form to create the room. First, the headline or topic, and then description, and finally tags. Tags should be related to the topic. I can create many tags as I want, in this case Django, HTMX, Chat App, and WebSocket. That's enough for now. That will create the room and redirect us to the room detail page. Obviously, we don't have any messages yet. Let's create our first message. Since this is my own room, I can edit the details of the room simply by clicking this button. Now it's time to move on to private messages. These are different private messages associated with the current user. Let's click this to see all messages. This is how the threads page is structured. On the left side, there is a list of different private messages, and we can simply navigate to each room. Here also we have infinite scrolling, but this time it fetches messages on a scroll without the need to click any button. We can do different operations for each room. The first one is mute or unmute notifications, and also clear history. This will delete every messages inside the room. And finally we have delete chat. This will delete the entire chat. I don't want to clear or delete this specific room, but we'll do it in a bit. Let me log in with different user in different browser and see how the interaction between those users goes. As soon as I send the message delivered to the another end instantly. One thing you may notice is the UI is completely responsive and works well both for mobile and desktop users. One another feature I want to show you is bulk or mass messaging. We can send messages to multiple recipients at once. For example, I can search and select many users and send this message for those users. This is a production-ready app. Common errors like page not found, server error, and others also handled properly. In the next video, I will show you how you can install the project on your computer, including Redis and PostgreSQL database. If you appreciate this work, like this video and subscribe for more related videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.